Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to another perfume review video. My name is Naz. This is my channel, the King of Hidden Gems. I try to bring to your attention fragrances are usually very good value for money. They smell good. They're usually on the radar. Not many people talk about them. I think at least you should do your research, try them for yourself and see if they're any good to you. So in this video I have another unboxing and first impression for you, and this is the House of My Perfumes. House of My Perfumes is another Middle Eastern brand from United Arab Emirates, and lately they've been releasing amazing fragrances, especially for the price. This one in particular is from their Arabiyat Prestige lineup, which is a higher tier or the luxury tier of My Perfumes, and this one in particular called Roses Vanilla. So Arabiyat Prestige, and this is Ishatar Roses Vanilla, and is 110 ml eau de parfum. This is targeted unisex, and we'll see how is the smell. In United Kingdom you can find it around £50, give or take. It's not readily available yet because it just was released a few weeks ago, but the good news is they post globally, they ship globally. If you buy it directly from them, I leave the link in there if you are interested. Obviously you have to pay the shipping for that. And without further ado, let's do this. Sorry about the noise. So as usual with Arabiyat Prestige, they give you very high-end presentation. Look at the box, it's very thick cardboard, very nice design to it, very attractive on the eye and very attractive when you hold it. It shouts quality, and it opens like this, so it's like a beautiful velvet around it. And look at the bottle. The bottle is beautiful. So overall, amazing presentation, very good, for especially for a price around £50. This is top notch. Okay, so this is a dark red color, so it sits like this in here. It's a velvet, so it's a dark red bottle, again very attractive, very heavy, very high quality, very thick glass, super thick glass. It's about 2 kilo of box only. Okay, so let's see. And it's got a mirror on top. Yeah, it's got a mirror, and the cap is about 2 kilo, about half a kilo of cap. It's so heavy. It's a metal and mirror on top, and the atomizer is gold. And here we go. So this is Ishatar Roses Vanilla by Arabiyat Prestige, 110 ml, and eau de parfum and targeted unisex. And here we go. Look at that beautiful pressurized atomizer. Amazing. Every time I use one of these, it amazes me how they can do it for this price. Everything is top notch. Woo, so strong, it's filling the room. Goodness me. Okay, so how is the Ishatar Roses Vanilla Arabiyat Prestige 110 ml eau de parfum unisex? Here we go. Ooh, gorgeous, beautiful. So first thing it hits me is the rose. The roses here is massive. It's a big sweet jammy rose. So this is a jammy rose, and it's sweet, and it has a hint of spiciness to it. At the moment it's a little bit of citrusy feel to it as well, making it a little bit bright. The citrus is here like a bergamot and lemon combination, so it's not a big one, but it is there to some extent, but it's not massive. It's just one of those you feel it just a little bit in the beginning. Oh, goodness me, what a beautiful rose in here. The rose is gorgeous, as the color suggests. Is a red, super red, very bloody red rose. So imagine a red rose, and you're smelling it, and this is the smell you're getting. And so it's chocolate, sorry, not chocolatey, it's a sweet is jammy and is very very thick and dense. So this is for people who love their jammy roses, not the fresh rose. Is not one of those. It's a little bit on the dark side as well, a little bit, not much. It's a medium. It's not too bright, it's not too dark. It's a medium side of darkness. Okay, it's got a little bit of muskiness to it as well, and also in the backbone and the background I can smell something like combination of cedar and sandalwood, because again it's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very very well done. It's just mesmerizingly beautiful. I'm not sure if they're trying to do, copy something, or they are inspired by something, but whatever it is just absolutely gorgeousness. But you need to love your rose, because this is all about rose, rose and more rose. Can smell big vanilla, as he says, roses and vanilla. Yes, it's a massive vanilla in here. So these two are the biggest player: rose, 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 and after that is vanilla, 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 and everything else just nuances here and there. It's about citrusy opening, hint of spiciness, a little bit of musky feel in the background, just to round everything up. But the beauty of this is in this simplicity. It's not a very complex fragrance, but it is beautiful in the same time, because that rose is to die for. Gorgeous rose, beautiful, very very well done. Gorgeous, gorgeous. And yeah, and the backbone of woody, just cedar and sandalwood to round everything up and making it very smooth, and also lift everything. That cedar and sandalwood together, lifting the vanilla and lifting the rose and letting them shine on top. So you don't feel that much of woodiness. The woods are in the background mainly, and as I said, they are supportive role. Tiny bit of citrus feel when he opened up, but it's not that big. And also the hint of spiciness. The spices here is like a tiny bit of cinnamon, again very minimalistic, just like a sprinkle of it, okay, just to making it interesting. But the biggest player are by far, as he says, roses, vanilla are the roses, because it's about rose, 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 and vanilla, vanilla, vanilla. Vanilla here is beautifully done. It's very smooth, it's very rounded, it's very buttery smooth. It's like a vanilla cake almost. It's so good and well done. And also the rose on top of it, making it like some sort of rose ice cream almost. In Middle East we have rose ice cream, or rose water ice cream. It reminds me of that one. It's very very beautiful, it's very well done, it's very sensual, it's very sexy, it's very beautiful for close encounter. It's good for dating, it's good for special occasion, going out and things like that. This is a special fragrance, it's not one of those every day. So this is very very special. Can't get over that rose. It's beautiful, it's superbly done. So what to take from this video? First impression, first sniff, absolutely yes, yes, yes. I love my roses, and this is absolutely up my alley. But for you, you need to love your rose first and foremost, and then vanilla obviously. But the rose here is jammy, is sweet, tiny bit of hint of spiciness to it, not much, just a sprinkle of it. And also a woody background. That vanilla and rose, as he suggests, roses, vanilla is the main player. These two are the main actors on the stage, and they are doing a fantastic job, very well done. The quality is superb for this price. This smells like £150, £200 plus, so it's so good. Perfumery, same, very balanced, very well done, very rounded, very smooth, very well blended. So everything about it shows quality. The quality of the juice is same, very very high quality juice in here. The notes and the accords are very very beautifully done. And in terms of presentation, I don't need to say anything. Look at that, just gorgeous, beautiful, very very heavy bottle, heavy cap, pressurized sprayer, 110 ml, which is a little bit more than 100 ml. And also the box itself very good looking and nice on the eye and in the hand. So everything about it shouts quality, and for the price you cannot beat it. It's just beautiful. By the way, completely unisex, men and women can wear it. I love my roses, so I can easily wear this. If you love rose, it doesn't matter who you are, any age, but because again it's that kind of fragrances, it needs some experience. Okay, so not only you need to love your rose, but you need to have some experience with fragrances to enjoy it, to appreciate it. So I would say 25 and up to be in the safe side. Occasion, as I said, this is special occasion, going out, evening, formal occasion, things like that. This is very, very beautiful and opulent. In terms of season, all year round, no problem at all. The only thing is in summer less sprays, in winter more spray. At the moment I put 3 sprays and it's feeling the room, feeling the house. Is very, very strong, so it's a massive projector, at least for first impression. So in the next video I'll let you know the development, the longevity and things like that. But for now, absolutely I'm loving it. Yes, yes, yes. I'm just mesmerized by that beautiful rose. Gorgeous. Okay guys, so if you have it, if you tried it, let us know your experience. That would be useful for others to read. If you like what I do, if you find it useful, informative, valuable or entertaining, don't forget to hit those buttons. This way you help me, encourage me, motivate me to bring you fragrances like this in future that nobody else is talking about. They're amazing value for money, they smell great, and they are hidden gems. If you like to purchase one of my own fragrances, and this way you support me and get something beautiful in return, and you live in United Kingdom, you lucky ones. They are absolutely gorgeous, mesmerizingly beautiful, very artistic, very unique, very, very mysterious, 100% natural, amazing value for money, ultra beast mode, but you need to live in United Kingdom. As always I say, you need to live here to purchase them. What a shame. Sorry about that. See you later. Bye, bye, bye.